Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are building a compact and practical DC voltmeter using a small plastic enclosure. This project is simple, functional, and very useful for everyday electronics testing. Let's get started. First, we design the voltmeter panel in Adobe Illustrator. It's important to prepare at least 2 design templates. Why? Because after drilling and shaping the box, the first template will be removed, and a fresh, clean design will be installed on the final surface. This gives the project a much more professional look. We are using a small plastic box for this project. Since the enclosure is plastic, it can be shaped easily. After creating the required openings for the probes, switch, and panel voltmeter, we carefully smooth the edges. Removing plastic burrs improves both appearance and safety. Clean finishing always makes a big difference in electronic projects. This voltmeter uses a DC panel meter module with 3 wires: red, black, and yellow. Red, power supply positive; black, ground; yellow, voltage sensing line. One important advantage of this design is that the measurement circuit is separated from the power input. This improves measurement stability. Another strength is portability. Because we use a 3-volt battery supply, the device becomes completely independent and easy to carry. The voltmeter is powered by 2 1.5-volt batteries connected in series. Series voltage formula, V total equals V1 plus V2. So, 1.5 volt plus 1.5 volt equals 3 volt. This 3-volt supply is only used to power the voltmeter module itself. When the red and black probes touch any DC voltage source, the voltage difference between them is displayed. Voltage definition formula: V equals potential difference. In practical electronics, V equals V positive minus V ground. This means the voltmeter measures the difference between 2 points. For testing, we connect the probes to a variable DC power supply. As we adjust the voltage, the display changes accordingly. This confirms correct operation. Main advantages of this voltmeter: compact size, low cost, portable, independent power supply, clean front panel design, suitable for quick DC voltage testing. This makes it perfect for hobbyists and workshop use. And that's it, a simple yet practical DIY DC voltmeter. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next project.